Alright, here we are. Let me see if I can fix this. It is done. It is done. There it is. Alright, here's what we got. So you can see the rack, right? And this is a 48 volt, 20 amp battery. Right there's the ignition. You need a key, right? And in order to turn it on, you have to put it in and turn it on. You can probably see the red there. That's how you turn it on. So that's the battery. I've got these little styrofoams in there temporary because when I was moving it, it was just slightly shaken off of the bracket. You can see that it's attached to a bracket. Maybe you can't see it. It's an aluminum bracket that it's attached to because it'll come off of this. And it's just, it's not a perfect fit. I mean, even just a millimeter will cause it problems. All right, so now the motor, the Bafang motor. It's a 48 volt, I think 750 watt, I think. So yeah, I had to pull out the mid, what do they call that? Not the mid drive, because that's what that is, a mid hub, I guess, for the pedals and the crank. Pull all that out, replace it with all these new crank arms. These pedals are my old ones that I'm going to replace when my new ones show up. And there is no shifting on the front, but the shifting on the back is the same, which is 7 gears, so you don't need it. It's got 44 teeth. And yeah, so anyway, the wires come out the bottom here, and I did one of those wire protectors, zip ties, a little bit of electrical tape, and here's where the plug is to the battery, and that goes there. And then you probably can see the hydraulic brakes. Oh, by the way, it's got hydraulic brakes and the main cable that takes all the other signals to the motor and the battery come up here to the front. And this is where all the sensors connect. It's not pretty, I get it, but it's the best I could do. It's first time, man. So I put them all together. And these are the hydraulic brake sensors, so when you engage the brake, it cuts off the motor, one on both sides. This here's the throttle, so if you want to just do throttle only. And this here is the, I don't know, this is like the menu button, power and up and down. And this is the controller. Oh, and there's the shifters, the original shifters. There's no more shifter on the left side. Let's turn this baby on. And there you go. I got it. I had to go into the settings to change it from kilometers per hour to miles per hour. You can change the levels there, the pedal assist levels up to 5. And yeah, there you go. So when I engage, I don't know if you can see in the upper right corner, this means that everything's good to go. Push the brake on the right side there, left side there. It took me a long time to get that worked out, so ooh baby, ooh baby. Let's take this for a spin, shall we? First off, this is really unsafe to be riding and holding your cell phone. So I'll just say that right off the bat, but I want to do a test. Got to do this test. First time off. Here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Make sure I can turn. We're good. Right, so we're about up to 10 miles an hour. I'm going to move the pedal assist up to 5. Here we go. This is the one that's going to kill me. This is max. Whoa. There is a definite kick there. Wow. It's strong, man. It's really strong. And then make sure I get through this intersection. All right, here we go. Here we go. Almost to 20. Past 20. 22. What the freak? All right, so there you go. I'm gonna kill this because this is insane, man. The last thing that I wanted to show you that I particularly chose this for this reason. Yeah, not bad, right? Doesn't blink or anything like that, but good for visibility. And there's the battery indicator. Probably can't see the lights there. It's mostly full. Whew. So there we go. Holy crap.